Hey guys, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today for this week's Friday haul. It is Friday, January 19th. Really cold here in central New York. The high the past few days has been like, 10, 12. So it's been very, very chilly, trying to keep warm. I do go out still, like the cold doesn't usually bother me that much, but still it's really cold. So I hope you guys are keeping warm where you are too. I did go out to Joann's. I went last weekend and I got a few orders in, and I went out to other places too. So I wanted to share with you what I got. So this is what I got at Joann's. They were having their 10 for $3 sale on the open cardstock. So I got a few ones that I usually get and repurchase. This is the Basil one called Tutu Pink, and it's got a little texture on it. As you can see, I love this shade of pink. It's so pretty. That one has a little spot on it. So anyway, I got two of those, I think. Yeah, two of those. And my Joann's did not have the Valentine paper out yet, even though it says in stock, so they probably just haven't put it out yet. This one is a red called Lava, which I don't know if I have this one or not, but I did need more reds. I think this one's the same. I got a few different ones, but yeah, two of those, maybe three of those. Nope, this one is called Hibiscus, and this one does not have a texture, if you could see, while this one does. So, sometimes you want texture, sometimes you don't. Here's another Hibiscus, and then I got two of this darker one called Cherry Splash. So that should be good for reds for a while. And then this one, I of course cut into it already, but this is a Gingham Garden paper from Crate Paper. And this one's called Love This. So I just love the like peachy pink background and the little bit darker hearts on it, and they're really cute and tiny. This is the back, which I didn't use, but this is such a great deal when they're 10 for $3. So I did get that. So that was all I got at Joann's. It came out to be like 2 something because it wasn't 10, but yeah, that's what I got from there. And then I did place another order from scrapbook.com, and thank you guys. Last week I was complaining that they left out a pack of paper from my order, and it was this one, and I thought this was just all purple, but a couple of you pointed out to me, thank you, it says 7 assorted colors. And I think what threw me off is the picture on the website has like, the cover has all the different colors on it. So I don't know, I just glanced at this and thought it was purple. I don't know why I didn't think that I didn't order purple. I guess I thought I did, but anyway, this has the 7 colors of shimmer paper in it. And I had already written to scrapbook.com, and they said, oh, they'll send another one out. So after you guys let me know that I did have it, I wrote to them and I was like, oh, I'm so sorry. I was mistaken. I do have the paper. Let me, pay for the one you sent out. So they sent me a PayPal invoice, so I did pay for it. So yeah, I felt better about that. I felt terrible. I didn't want to get anyone in trouble that they didn't pack my order correctly. So thankfully, it's all okay. So these are the colors that you get. They're really pretty colors. I wish there was more than one light pink, but yeah, they're very nice. And they're really nice and thick too. So now I have 2 of these, but thank you guys for letting me know. I should just pay more attention to things, obviously. And then I got this embossing folder. This is a new one by Lisa Horton Crafts, and I did get one recently by Lisa Horton, and it's beautiful. So I love this one. It's called Lily of the Valley Blooms, and it's 5 by 7. I did make a sample of this to show you guys. So this is what it looks like, and I used some shimmer paper that I had from Michael's. Isn't that beautiful? It's just really nice and raised. It's like one of the ones that does deep embossing. So it came out so pretty. I think this is going to make beautiful like spring backgrounds, Mother's Day cards. I just love it. Pretty for tags. So this is a little bit smaller than 5 by 7, but I love these bigger embossing folders because it gives you more options for what to do with it. But yeah, I wanted to try it out and show you guys what it looks like. So yeah, I just love it. So again, that was at scrapbook.com. And then I got, let's see, this paper pad. I don't think I think this is new. I mean, I think this is not new, but I did not get it before, so I wanted to pick it up. This is called Berry Sweet. And I've just been loving Scrapbook.com's papers. I started buying them at Christmas time, and I've just been really happy with them. So it's 230 GSM, 5 sheets of each pattern, 40 sheets. So let me show you in case you haven't seen these yet either. So this is the first page. You know I love the strawberries, and there's pink stripes on the back. So it's nice thick paper. It's nice and matte. It's not glossy, which most of us like, from what I understand. Oh, and this is, I think it's 6 by 8. Let me measure this. Let me just grab a ruler. It probably says, right? 8 by 6. Okay, 6 by 8. So the next page is this polka dot one that has red, pink, and green polka dots on a white background. And the back are these pretty hearts, perfect for Valentine's Day, or, you know, of course, hearts are good any time of the year. So there's that one. And then we have this pretty, like, watercolor floral, kind of either like ranunculus or roses, peonies, I'm not sure. And then a really pretty pink gingham on the back of that, like a diagonal print gingham. And then there's this bigger one that's black. So love that. And then a nice polka dot on the back, just black polka dots, teeny tiny polka dots. And after that, we have this green plaid, which I think is beautiful. This would be great for a masculine card. And then the back of that has these pink white flowers on a pink background and a dark pink center. And then we have this solid, like, lime green, and then cute cherries on the back. Loving those cherries. And then this paper, this kind of reminds me of Maggie Holmes' Carousel, doesn't it? It's just kind of like a swirl, a spiral swirl. The back is solid pink. And then this is a strawberry print. Looks like the, you know, like the strawberry fruit with the tiny seeds on it. So that'd be great to use your strawberry dyes on. And the back is solid red. I think that's it. Yeah, so I picked that up, ready to do some fruit themed projects. And the main reason I ordered was, well, I needed more Nouveau Deluxe adhesive, so I picked up a bottle of that. And then I've been seeing people get this. This is the Precision Glue Press, and I know it's out of stock for a while, but it's back in stock, or it was when I ordered it. So what this does, it holds your glue upside down, and then when you want to use it, you just pull the trigger instead of, you know, like shaking it and squeezing it out. And I'm hoping that this relieves some frustration because, I don't know, you know, when you first open a bottle of glue, everything is great, it doesn't clog, but then as it gets like halfway done, it seems to be a lot of trouble to get it to come out nicely. Even if you store it upside down, sometimes it's hard to squeeze out. So this is supposed to be great, especially if you have like arthritis in your hands. I don't have that, but I do get annoyed by my glue not coming out correctly. So I'm going to give this a try. This was kind of pricey. It was like $35, but I am hoping that it saves me some frustration, and that will be worth the cost for sure. It does come with some Nouveau Deluxe adhesive as well, so that's great. And then it says, additionally, an empty bottle is provided should you wish to fill with your own alternative adhesive. And it comes with a regular nozzle and a fine tip nozzle. So I will definitely keep you posted as to how I like this. You know, anything that can help us do our adhesives, I am all for. And I love Nouveau Deluxe adhesive. I think this works great for shakers and all sorts of things for paper crafting. So yeah, I'm gonna try that. I'll keep you posted. And then there were a couple of freebies. This paper pad was a freebie from Echo Park, and it's called Love Notes. I don't think I have this. I don't remember seeing it in my stash this year when I got my Valentine stuff out. But this came out in 2023, so last year. I was about to say this year, but nope, it's not 2023 anymore. So this is 24 double-sided papers, 65-pound cardstock. And yeah, so let's just do a quick flip through of this because this is not new, it's just a freebie. So, oh, that's cute. I love you, a bushel on a peck. You make my heart beat faster. Cute strips. Love that they're double-sided. That's a really pretty print. Oh, that's cute with the teeny tiny red hearts and pretty print. You are my favorite. Oh, my darling. Nice background there. Oh, it's so cute with the hot air balloons. Love is in the air. Cute little cut-aparts. Very pretty floral. I love these colors. It's pink and red and like a kind of like an aqua blue, but more blue, I guess. This one looks super familiar. I don't know if I have this in a 12 by 12 or what. Oh, that's cute with the hearts on the like stems, on the pink stems. And then some more cut-aparts. Stripe on the back of that, cute floral. I'm sure it'll be repeating somewhere. Oh, that's cute with the mailboxes, airmail, love letters. Oh, that's cute too with the envelopes. Yeah, I really like this. My life would suck without you. All right, reminds me of that Kelly Clarkson song. And then some pink gingham, some love bugs, cars. That's cute with the, I think those are arrows, right? Yep. And then the hot air balloons with the hearts. And then we start over. So yeah, that was cute. And I was so glad to get that as a freebie. This was a freebie too, the word dies. And this says you, me, with the ampersand with the arrow going through it, like a bow and arrow. So I thought that was really clever, and it's got the shadows for the words too. So I've been getting a lot of these as freebies at scrapbook.com die. So yeah, that's great. So yeah, very good order from scrapbook.com, and I was glad to get everything. Hopefully this works out good. It has really great reviews on the website. All right, let's move on to Walmart. Walmart, I got a few crafty things. I was in the mood to make some bracelets. So this one here with the big beads on it, this one came just like this in the jewelry section, although it was bigger, like there's more on the strands, but I didn't need them all for my bracelet. So I took them off and then restrung them on some 0.7 millimeter elastic and just made myself a bracelet. And this is exactly what it looks like on the strand itself. And I think I saved the packaging. Yeah, it's Cousin DIY acrylic strand, and it comes with, well, it's 17 inches. And this was like, it was $3 something. I don't remember if I think it was close to $4. So anyway, yeah, so it's in the jewelry section. So I got that, and then while I was making that, I decided to make a few more bracelets. These, I had the beads in my stash already. So since I had them all out, I made a few more to go with it. I love these little white hearts, and then these clear ones, little silver beads, and then these pink ones. I think these were from Joann's, like the Hildy and Joe line. And they just kind of have like a little iridescent sheen to them. So anyway, I made myself a few new bracelets. So I got these at Walmart. That's what inspired me to make these two. And yeah, when these nails are the ones that I got from Temu that I showed last week, and I just love them. I know usually you put your accent nail on your ring finger, but I did not have red ones to fit my pinky, so I thought it would look silly to have two of these on, I don't know, so I just made my pinky my accent nail. But anyway, I ordered some more nails. I'll have another Temu order probably next week, so I'll show you some more. But yeah, I really like these. So, and these are medium length, which is plenty long enough for me. So yeah. And then also at Walmart, I got a few things of ribbon. I love their 1/8 inch ribbon. It's by Offray or Offray, I don't know how you pronounce it. And these are only 47 cents, the Spulo ribbon. So I got yellow and pink. I wish they had like an aqua in this style, but they didn't. They didn't have that many colors actually. So I just got these two. And then this was a bad purchase. These are ribbons that were in the Valentine section, and this is the label. So I advise not to buy, I wouldn't buy this again. It's Valentine's Day ribbon, $3.48, and I didn't really notice, but it's not fabric, this ribbon. It's like really cheap kind of, I don't know, papery ribbon. It's kind of more like curling ribbon, so I did not expect that, but as you can see, it's like I don't know, not what I wanted. I wanted fabric ribbon, but I think it does curl. Let me see. If you're looking for like a curling kind of ribbon, you could try this, but yeah, it curls. So maybe for gift wrapping it would be okay, but yeah, not for like, you know, to look like nice ribbon in your craft. So just to warn you if you're thinking about getting that, which is too bad because I love the cute prints, but yeah. I mean, I could return it, but I'm not going to bother doing that. And I think that was it from Walmart. Yep, that was it. I went to Michael's because I wanted to just see what they had. And if you follow me on Instagram, I posted some pictures. They have some like $3 and $5 bins, which I'd never seen before, but I don't go in there that often, so I don't know if they've been there for a while. But they had like Maggie Holmes card assortments for $5. They had pens and things for $3. So and they also had Crafter's Companion paper pads, like big ones, but those were $19.99. So if you haven't seen my posts on Instagram, head on over there if you want to see what they look like. But yeah, they're in like over by the paper crafting section in the middle of the aisles, you know, in a display. But I did get some Valentine things because I wanted to make some Valentine shaker mixes. And I didn't have too much, like I wanted a big quantity of stuff. So I got this, and all the Valentine things were, I think they were either 30 or 40% off. I don't remember. I think 30. But this was $5, and these are clay bits that say love, and there's pink. Oh, look at that one. Got stuck in the machine or something. Pink, red, and white, and there's a lot in here, and I already used it. So there's that one, and then I got this one too, which has the like circles, pink, red, and I don't know if there are white ones in there. And then there's white sprinkles, there's X's and O's, there's lips, red and pink sprinkles as well. So yeah, same price. So I got those. And then I picked up some stickers. I got this one that has the like shaker hearts, and they all say love. Again, $4.99, but on sale. And then I got these that look like Mylar balloons to me, and I used one already, as you can see. These were only $3.99, so got that. And then I thought this was really cute. This is a pack of spoons, and this was $2.99 for 6. So it comes with these little spoons that are individually wrapped, and they look like little heart-shaped shovels. So these would be great to add for like sequence mixes. So that's why I got those. And I think that is it from Michael's. Yes. So, yep, that's all I have to share with you today. I mentioned last week I was in the mood to sew, so I started an embroidery project. I'll show you that soon. I just started it yesterday, so there's not much to show. And I'm working on more Scrap Diva Designs projects for the January release, more cute Valentine's crafts, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed so you get alerted to when I have new videos. And next week I'm also going to have a haul from Ana Luisa. I have worked with them before with their jewelry that they sent, and they have really nice jewelry pieces. So I got a couple more. That'll be in my video next week because they're having a Valentine's Day sale. So that'll be next Friday. And yeah, that's about it. So I hope you guys have a really good weekend. Stay warm wherever you are. Hopefully it's not 10 degrees there as well. And yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this week's haul, and I will be back soon. All right, everyone, stay healthy and take care. Bye.